Now at 4, same-sex marriage now legal in Utah. The Supreme Court makes a historic decision not to hear the state's appeal. We'll share its immediate impact on thousands of Utah families. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nadia Crow. The Supreme Court shocked the nation with a historic decision today. The judicial branch chose not to review any cases banning same-sex marriage, and that means gay marriage is once again legal in Utah. Last December, some of Utah's same-sex couples rushed to get married after the 10th Circuit Court called Utah's Amendment 3 unconstitutional. The amendment defined marriage as an institution only between a man and a woman. After that decision, the state appealed, claiming Amendment 3 was voted in by the majority of Utahns. However, the Supreme Court's decision not to review the case, same-sex marriage is once again legal. Following the big announcement, some of the plaintiffs who challenged Utah's ban celebrated. Good for Utah's Felicia Martinez has their reaction.
It's been a day.
Well, Governor Gary Herbert gave instructions to county officials to recognize same-sex marriages shortly after the Supreme Court's decision today. And as state leaders react to the Supreme Court's decision, Utahns are sounding off both for and against same-sex marriage. So here's a couple of comments we found on our Facebook page when asked about the Supreme Court's decision. Tracy Whitmire was overjoyed. She says, "Yeah, celebration. How will Utah fight this now? Live and let live, people." And more comments continue to pour in. Join the conversation by telling us what you think about the Supreme Court's decision today to not hear Utah's appeal. Go to Facebook.com/ABC4Utah or find us on Twitter @GoodForUtah. So how long can we expect this gorgeous weather? There's got to be a storm on its way, right? The storms always come and ruin it.
Something's got to disrupt that, right?
Chief Meteorologist Dan Pope joins us now with the answer. So can we hold on to this good weather for a little while longer?
Yes, we can, especially here in northern Utah, the southern part of the state.
There's only one answer, right? Are you just about
Right.
to say that? There's only one thing that we want to hear.
Well, I was going to say, there's your party crasher.
Yeah,
Right?
Dan. Well, one of those beds is now empty after the sudden death of a young boy. The latest on the enterovirus, its spread, and how you can combat it. That's coming up. Well, now the enterovirus has claimed another victim, a preschool-aged boy in New Jersey. ABC's Emmett Miller has the latest.
The virus is called...
And from preventing a serious illness to preventing a house fire. That's right, it's Fire Prevention Week. Okay, so you've heard of the saying, where there's heat, there's fire. But is that the case when it comes to love? Okay, this next story just made me laugh. Coming up, the superstar bringing the heat. See, the man Katy Perry has the hots for after she expressed her love on live TV. That's next. Okay, but she didn't talk a whole lot about music. Instead, she declared her love for a top team star quarterback. ABC's Don Harris shows us where Cupid's arrow landed.
Who can blame him?
No, it's apparently a family affair. The brother can't have her. He's going to step in.
Yeah, I think there'd be a lot of people who like to be in Trevor Knight's position.
Yeah, he's got options. He's got options. All right, from Katy Perry's sweet display of love and affection to sweets of a different kind.
Yeah, it's K.